Hi everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. We're keeping it simple today, and this one is like a twist updo and it takes 2 minutes. Let's get started. So you're going to start off by deciding which bits that you want to leave out from the fronts. I'm going to just decide if I want just these bits or some bits by the ear as well. So no brush required here if you don't want to. I'm simply using my fingers to just draw this hair into a mid ponytail. And then I'm just going to place this into a ponytail. So next I want you to create a hole going through here. So all the way through. Once you've created that hole, you're going to push this back up through that hole. And then all you're going to do is just give this a little twist. You're then going to keep your hand in here and just push, so the grip's going to go straight through and then catch the hair here and just push down, and again at the top. And then we're just doing a little gentle curl at the front here. So that is the style complete. As you can see, it literally takes 2 minutes to do. It just looks a little bit different, a bit more interesting than just whacking your hair in a messy bun or a ponytail. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.